what is Sabbath on oven ranges for? All right, so if you're curious, if you have a Sabbath option button on the settings on your oven and you're curious what it's for, the reason is that it's for Jewish holiday. And so to recognize the Sabbath, the Jewish faith, they're not allowed to use any electronic devices or any gadgets or anything on Sabbath. And so and they're not able to make a flame on an oven because it goes against their religion. But they do have festive meals and they bake. So the whole point on an oven is to make it to where you're allowed to bake it, and it turns off the safety feature on ovens. So most ovens will turn off after 12 hours for safety reasons, but you could turn on the Sabbath mode in order so it'll stay on after 12 hours. You could put something in there and it'll bake. Let's say at a set temperature, let's say at 400 or 375 for however long. You take it out, it'll still be baking, and you don't have to actually turn a flame on, or you don't have to actually turn it. So this particular whirlpool, to recognize Sabbath, only thing I would do is just go to settings and keep hitting settings until I get to Sabbath mode. All right, so it's Sabbath, so it's off now, but I could press 1 to turn it on. So if I press 1, now it's on. I just hit cancel on this whirlpool. So I could have a preset temperature already on it, and so I can go ahead and bake. Let's say I want to bake, and I want it to stay at 375, for example. 375. Bake. All right, it'll automatically bake. I'll just hit start, and I'll be able to keep that on there for 12 plus hours to observe Sabbath. That way I don't have to hear, it'll make it where it won't ring. You don't have to hear any digital noises going on and off. I don't have to actually turn it on and off, and that's just basically part of this Jewish religion. All right, if I'm wrong on any of this, please put in the comment section, correct me where I'm wrong, and I'll pin it to the top so other people can see what you're talking about. All right, thanks for watching.